road then. Do me over. End of the road, turn left, please. Looking over there, a problem on the bike?
You.
Might be. Trying to cross. If they're crossing, what do we do? Let them finish. Good. Nice job. Very well done. Did brilliantly there, mate. Absolutely brilliant. Awareness. 20 limit. I don't think the private eye is doing 20, is he? No.
Might be just a bit higher.
Did you see him there overtake as well?
Yeah.
Yeah? Brilliant reaction. Who had priority? Us? Hey, well done with that one as well. Brilliant. So, who had priority to go around a parked car? Us or the one behind the taxi? Us, really. But what would have happened if you'd have taken that priority?
Smashed them.
Yep.
Winston hit someone though.
Yeah, so would I, but I'd rather them learn that. Look at that one.
You can use that on your clips if you've got it.
Jeez. How's that for a lack of attention? Okay. But yeah, I would rather someone get... But then if the pupil does that,
Yeah.
you go, okay, listen to it. It probably could have left that one a little longer, but it's okay. We'll have a little go next time. Good. The police car thinks they're a bicycle. Interesting. I think that's poor, personally. I think they should be setting an example. Say again?
You don't.
Well, they should do. They should,
should
though.
do, yeah,
They should
but
do,
they don't.
do that. Nice. Just drive across the grass. Excellent job. Can't be bothered waiting. The east lank's off, but the second one, A580 west. So this lane's perfect, mate. So what's happening from the slip road? A little few more gas now. Go on, I want to be clear of this one. Go. Now settle. So as this was joining, we didn't want to be next to that lorry. Yeah. Onto it. You've got that ability to change speed, so we'll do it. Yeah, Liverpool and Knowsley, please.
So I'm not going to overtake there.
No, perfect.
Keep an eye on the van from the road on the left hand side. It drives across the pavement to get to where it wants to go. It's these two behind that we're going to keep an eye on.
did ever so well with that, mate. You were well switched on. Well done. All to get in front of a learner car. You won't have that when you get rid of your L plates, mate, don't worry. But well seen, top draw. Going through that, naughty, no gears. That was an instructor as well, you know.
Was it?
Yeah.
Again, close to home, and look how little attention this van driver pays while he reverses.
We'll just do 40 down there, don't we?
Yeah. And do you think now he's braking?
You see the reverse and the parking. Eating a sandwich while driving blind. Nice.
Now he's seen us. My lad who was driving has given everyone the perfect example on what to do if someone's not seen you. Just keep back and wait. It's simple.
He could do with a few more lights on the front of this wagon, to be fair. I didn't see him there for a second. Oh my word. Good effort though. You are meant to have clean lights on the wagon so people can distinguish how big your vehicle is. He's doing a good job with that, I say. Well done, son.